Welcome to video number 248 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. Before we start this video, I have to apologize and at the same time explain to some of you who have multiple requests to make different contents. I have very limited time and I'm trying to do my best within that. So right at the moment I get help from someone to edit, upload and subtitle the videos. So when the channel grows, I might be able to get more assistance as there's, it's both time and cost factor. So thank you for understanding and please watch the Instagram and our learners having a small successful community helping each other in Tamil learning where you can hear each other and speak. It's a Telegram group. You can send a mail to Learn and Speak Tamil and I'll send you the link. So let's go to super easy lesson now, something you need in your daily conversation. In one of the previous lessons, you might have learned to talk or ask about the one. We used செய்யறது, pannaraa, பேசுறது to talk about it. You can click the link on top right to go straight there to that lesson. So it's good to learn that too. So we'll take the phrases from that lesson and see how differently we can say the same in a colloquial Tamil. So who's the one coming there? Anga varadhu yaarU. Anga varadhu yaarU. So varadhu is to talk about the one coming in that sentence. Alternatively, you can also say anga yaarU vara. Anga yaarU vara. Now, as we see more and more examples, you'll get an idea. Anga yaarU vanda. Who came there? This is past tense. Anga bandadu yaarU. Who was the one who came there? So you can alternatively say Anga yaarU vanda. Anga yaarU vanda. Anga yaarU vanda. Who came there? Or who was the one who came there? Anga varaporadhu yaarU. You might have guessed from the previous examples. So how do you replace Anga varaporadhu yaarU? Who's the one who is going to come there? To replace varaporadhu, you can use pOraa. Ange yaar varapora? Ange yaar varapora? Easy, isn't it? So Tamil is an easy language. It's an easy language and it's a dynamic in its variety if you enjoy and learn. Now plural. Ange yaarala vandadu? Varadhu, varaporadhu. Who and all are those who came? Coming, who'd come. Anga yaarella vanda. Vara, varapora. Anga yaarella vanda. Vara, varapora. Now let's go on to negative. When it comes to negative, we will not use this vanda, vara, varapora, that style. Instead, we'll stick to the negative that we learned in the previous lesson. Varadadu or varala. You can refer to the lesson. You have the link there. You can go and have a watch. Now, also bear in mind that you use this only to ask question, mostly who. Anga yaru irka. But you do not use this with answers or statements. Anga irukkirathu murugan. Anga irukkirathu murugan. Or like the second one, na thedinathu book. It was the book that I was searching for. In Tamil as we speak, we end these English word as book. Na thedinathu book. It was book that I was looking for. So here you don't use na thedinathu book. Instead you cannot use na thedina. No. Another thing, The varadu or poradu style of phrasing, it can be placed before or after yaru, such as kolam yaar podrathu or kolam podrathu yaru. Both are okay. So who is drawing or putting the rangoli? You know what a rangoli is. However, for the second one, it is always placed after the yaru. Kolam yaar podra. It cannot be kolam podra yaru. No. So yaarallam vanda anga. Who and all came there? It cannot be vanda yaaralla anga. No, we never say that. And that is all now. So be confident as you learn. You are learning all these minute details which nobody would tell you as you learn. These are the ways that the native speaker speaks. So just learn it technically and go on to learn as a whole phrase. And that is how you learn a language. You do not want to dissect and micro-analyze every word. That is not how a language works. So you'll find it boring. So just learn. Talk with our members in Telegram. Be a part of the group. So all the best with your Tamil learning and see you soon with another lesson. Best wishes. And please wait. So here's the brain gym for you. So try to translate this using what you learned today or using both varadu and vara style. I'll correct it. So thank you, and now the real bye, and see you soon in the next video or in the Telegram or in the Instagram. Vanakkam.